If you have tomatoes and eggs, makes easy and delicious recipe. To begin, we'll cut 3 tomatoes. Let's grate some mozzarella. In a bowl, we'll put 5 eggs, salt, pepper, paprika, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Let's beat them. In a pan, we'll put some olive oil and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's put the tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of coarse salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now let's put the eggs. We'll cover the pan for a while and turn it over. Let's add grated mozzarella. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. We'll cover again until the cheese melts. And our recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!